Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to change your default search engine in Google Chrome. Chrome uses Google as their main search engine, but let's say you want to use Bing or Yahoo. And what I mean by default search engine is if you go up to your address bar and you're to type in, let's just say, for example, cats. I press enter. It's going to search cats and it's going to search it using Google. Let's say I want to use Bing. To do that, go up to the top right and hit the three dots. Go down to settings, and then make your way over to search engine on the left side. If you don't see search engine over here, or maybe this video you're watching it a little bit in the future, Chrome settings have changed a little bit. What you can also do is go up to search settings and just type in search engine up here, and you'll also be able to find it, which I'll go ahead and show you. So here's what happens when I search search engine. In this box right here is what I'm going to show you when I click search engine. So if I click search engine, same box appears. And I can select right here, the first option, I can change the default search engine from Google, Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, or Exosia, which I've never heard of. So I'm going to go to Bing, like I said I was going to do. I'm going to select that, and then it should automatically save. And if I go over and open up a new tab, automatically on Bing instead of Google, and if I type in cats again, it's going to search cats using Bing as the default search engine. And that is how you change your default search engine in Google Chrome. I hope you found this quick video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.